Hi, I'm Sue Chen with Nova, and for 26 years we've been bringing you the best rolling walkers on the planet, and we have such a diverse line. Most all of our rolling walkers have seats, and while I love having a rolling walker with a seat, if you need a rolling walker without a seat, this Traveler is a great option. It's a three-wheeled walker. So when you get your Traveler and you take it out of the box, it's fully assembled, and then you've got a basket and a tray. So all you have to do is open it up and put on the handles to your desired height, and you just have to insert the handles and open it up. So to open it up, just pull the handles out like this and then push down on this middle bar, and that's going to keep the walker on a locked open position. And also to fold it, you're going to pull up on it to fold it, and now it's easy to kind of roll away and then also pick up. It's really lightweight and easy to get in and out of a car. So to open it back up, remember, this bar is always pushed down. All right, so the Traveler walker comes with the Nova patented handbrakes that are so easy to use and effective because you want to control your speed. So simply just pull up on the brakes to control the speed, and then to park it, you simply just push down and the walker will now be in a parked, locked position. And to release the park, just pull up and then you are ready to go. And we also have these nice hand grips that are so comfortable on the hands. So the Traveler comes with a lot of storage, which I love. So it comes with this tote bag that's already installed. It's very roomy, durable, and easy to clean. And that way you can put your personal belongings, your groceries, things out of sight. I've even seen somebody put a puppy in here. So this is a great storage option. Also comes with a basket that is easy to take on and off. So you can just put it on just like this. And then a tray. So this is great for small food items, but also your cell phone and your keys. So you'll notice that the Traveler has these big 8-inch rugged wheels, and that's great for indoor, outdoor, all-terrain use. And lastly, style, because it matters. So the Traveler comes in 5 gorgeous metallic colors. We have the beautiful red, indigo dark blue, diamond sky light blue, sleek black, and purple. All right, lastly, it comes with a great user guide. And this is full of care, use, and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime. All right, go out there and enjoy your Nova Traveler walker.